Hi friends, today I am now discussing most important electronics and telecommunication objective type question. So first one question is nucleus is made of A. Electrons and protons, B. Protons and neutrons, C. Photons and neutrons, D. Photons and electrons. Answer is photons and neutrons. And atom of any element is. Second question is atom of any element is was A positively charged, B negatively charged, C positively and or negatively charged, D not charged. Answer is D not charged. And next, third one question is conduction of electricity through conductor takes place by A. Protons, B. Neutrons, C. Bound electrons, D. Free electrons. Answer is free electrons. Intrinsic for one is intrinsic semiconductor at room temperature will have dash available for conduction. A. Electrons, B. Holes, C. Both electrons and holes. Answer is C. Both electrons and holes. D. None of the above. And intrinsic semiconductor at D 0 degree Kelvin will have dash available for conduction. A. Electrons, B. Holes, C. Both electron and holes, D. Nothing. Answer is nothing. At room temperature, n-type material will have A. More of electrons and B. More of holes, C. Equal number of electrons and holes. Answer is more of electrons. A room temperature p-type material will have A. More of electrons, B. More of holes, C. Equal number of electrons and holes. Answer is B. More of holes. It is easy to break the covalent bond by thermal energy in case of A. Carbon, B. Germanium, C. Silicon. Answer is B. Germanium. And 9 1 question is 1 eV of energy is equivalent to A. 2 ergs, B. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule, C. 0.16 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule, D. 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 9 joule. Answer is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding valence band in a solid? A. It may be empty in some solids. B. It is the highest occupied band. C. It is either completely filled or partially filled. D. It represents the energy possessed by its valence electron. Answer is it may be empty in some solids. And next one question is 11th number question is, which of the following statements is incorrect regarding conduction band? A. It lies below the valence band. B. It may be either empty or partially filled. C. It is lowest unfilled energy band. D. It represents the energy of conduction electrons. Answer is, it lies A. It lies below the valence band. Next one question is 12 number question is, the neighboring atoms in the crystalline lattice structure of a semiconductor like germanium form dash bonds. A. Molecular. B. Ionic. C. Covalent. D. Metallic. Answer is C. Covalent bond. The forbidden band in germanium at 0 degree Kelvin is A. 0.03 electron volt, B. 0.785 electron volt, C. 1.5 electron volt, D. 2.0 electron volt. Answer is B. 0.785 electron volt. And next question is, donor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of dash valency. A. 2, B. 3 and C. 4, D. 5. Do you know? Donor type semiconductor is formed by adding impurity of 5 valency. And next one, 15 number question is, Fermi level represents the energy level with probability of its occupation of A. 0, B. 25%, C. 50%, D. 100%. Answer is D. Intrinsic semiconductor are those A. which are made of semiconductor material in its purest form. B. which have zero energy gap. C. which have more electrons than holes. D. which have available locally. Now answer is A. which are made of semiconductor material in its purest form. The diffusion current is proportional to A. applied electric field, B. square of applied electric field, C. concentration gradient of charged carrier, D. a constant value given by Fermi level. C. Answer is C. concentration gradient of charge carrier. अगर आपने इस प्रीवियस वीडियो को नहीं देखा होगा तो इसके चैनल पर जाकर प्रीवियस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिएगा. उसमें 50 क्वेश्चन की सीरीज़ हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस में स्टडी किया था और आज भी हम लोग 50 क्वेश्चन सीरीज स्टडी करेंगे. The depletion region of a p-n junction is one that is depleted of A. immobile charge, B. mobile charges, C. atoms. Answer is B. mobile charges. And 19 question is, consider the energy diagram of an intrinsic semiconductor. The Fermi level lies in the A. valence band, B. forbidden gap, C. conduction band, or D. it can be at any of the above location depending upon the doping concentration and temperature. Answer is B. forbidden gap. And 20 number of question is, in any specimen of hole voltage is proportional to magnetic field beta as as a beta b beta square, c 1 by beta, d 1 by beta square. Answer is beta. And next one question is intrinsic concentration of charge carriers in a semiconductor varies as a t cube, b t square, c t, d 1 by t. Answer is a t cube. The dynamic resistance of a diode varies as a I the current, b I square, c 1 by I, d 1 by I square. Answer is 1 by I. And 23 question is at higher forward voltage a junction diode is likely to a become noisy, b burn out, c get saturated, d suffer breakdown. Answer is b burnout. And 24 question is for converting intrinsic semiconductors into extrinsic ones, the level of doping required is about 1 is to 10 square, b 1 is to 10 to the power 4, c 1 is to 10 to the power 8, and d 1 is to 10 to the power 16. Answer is 1 is to 10 to the power 8. A pure semiconductor behaves like an insulator at 0 degree Kelvin because a. There is no recombination of electrons with holes. b. Drift velocity of free electrons is very small. C. Free electrons are not available for current conduction. D. Energy possessed by electrons at that low temperature is almost zero. Answer is C. Free electrons are not available for current conduction. Dash is used to describe the static VI characteristics of a junction diode. A. Boltzmann diode equation. A. Richardson-Dussmann equation. C. Child's 3/2 power law. D. Einstein's photoelectric equation. Answer is A. Boltzmann diode equation. The next one question, 27 question is the energy gap is much more in silicon than in germanium because A. It has less number of electrons. B. It has high atomic mass number. C. Its crystal has much stronger bonds called ionic bonds. D. Its valence electrons are more tightly bound to their parent nuclei. Answer is its valence electrons are more tightly bound to their parent nuclei. And 28 number question is which of the following statement is incorrect? A. No electrons can occupy states in the forbidden gap. B. The forbidden band in silicon at 0 degree Kelvin is 1.21 electron volt. And C. Doping of a semiconductor result in creation of new energy band. D. Doping of a semiconductor results in creation of new energy level in forbidden band. Answer is C. Doping of a semiconductor results in creation of new energy band. And 29 number question is germanium atom contains A. 4 electrons, B. 2 protons, C. 4 electrons, and D. 2 electrons orbits. Answer is 2 electrons orbits. And 30 number of question is which of the following is a semiconductor? A. Diamond, B. Arsenic, C. Phosphorus, D. Gallium arsenide. And answer is D. Gallium arsenide. And 31 number question is which of the following elements belong to the same group of periodic tables as that of silicon and germanium? A. Phosphorus, B. Carbons, and C. Sodium, D. Boron. आंसर इज कार्बन। एंड दोस्तों आज हम लोग इतना ही पढ़ेंगे। इसके बाद इस वीडियो को इतना शेयर करिए जिससे कि हर एक जो कॉम्पिटिटिव टेक्निकल एग्ज़ाम्स का प्रिपरेशन करते हैं और रेलवे में भी ये सब क्वेश्चन आते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से रिलेटेड ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट के लिए, और ये सभी टेक्निकल ब्रांच वालों के लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। इसलिए हम ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं और ये इतना शेयर करिए जिससे कि ये सभी स्टूडेंट के पास पहुंच जाए। और अगर आप नए हैं इस चैनल पर तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाइएगा, क्योंकि देखते हैं 70% सब्सक्राइब करते हैं और 30% सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं। देखिए सब्सक्राइब करिएगा तभी तो हमको भी मोटिवेशन मिलेगा वीडियोस बनाने में, और हमारी फैमिली बढ़ेगी तो हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा और ढेर सारे वीडियो हम इस पर अपलोड करेंगे। चलिए आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट वीडियो नेक्स्ट डे हम अपलोड करेंगे। आज 31 क्वेश्चन सीरीज लाए हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्द ही आपको मिलेगा इस चैनल पर। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू। हैव ए नाइस डे।